do. Your patience has made me a more polite and respectful student. Excel Academy is a great school, but there are still changes to be made. One example of something that I know we need to change is the use of paper towels. We need to use fewer paper towels in the bathrooms to help save the trees around us so that we have clean oxygen to breathe for many generations. I hope you can facilitate this by putting up a sign that says use one paper towel only, please. Another school characteristic that we should change is the books we use for math. I suggest that we supplement Saxon math books with Singapore math books because Singapore gives more practical examples of each lesson than Saxon does. It is also less repetitive. Finally, I think we should change Pizza Fridays to a healthier alternative. For example, a soup and salad bar that is free and fast to make. That is what I hope we can change. I hope that we can keep some of our current school characteristics. For example, Excel Academy teachers are exemplary teachers. They don't let too many accents get past them, but they aren't too strict either. In other words, not too hard, not too soft. Another thing that we should keep is our ability to move around during the day to different classrooms to learn about different subjects. This helps to keep us active during most of the day and our brains stay on and alert. Also, it exposes us to different teachers that have different teaching styles and other students with other perspectives. We should also continue to allow students to skip grades because at other schools, students may not be allowed to learn at their own pace. Excel is a better school because of its flexibility. If you come to our school after these changes, you will find yourself in the best school ever. Sincerely, Hadley.
And finally, grade 2 from Skyview Academy.